Presidency University is hosting Innovatex 3.0, a national level tech festival in which universities and colleges from all over the country will be participating. Who all have registered till now? How can you register for this 3-day national festival? What is the prize money? And what all innovations will we see during this festival? Let's find out. The students of School of Computer Science and Engineering are preparing for this mega event. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Excited?
Yes, ma'am. Very excited for this event. We have our total 14 events, from hackathons to RC rally and from drones to Robo war.
And what is the prize money? That is something which is of interest for everyone. So I'm asking this question. Sorry.
The prize pool is of 7 lakhs.
7 lakhs. That's a big amount. So how has the registration been like till now? Are you getting good registration numbers?
Yes, ma'am. We are getting very good registrations. Totally, there are 100 plus colleges which have already been registered.
Already?
Yeah, and then we are expecting more colleges to join us because it's not just a mega event. It will be a learning platform, a valuable exchange resource program, and moreover, they can interact with the many jury panelists who come, and they can gain insights of so many things and the current technologies which is going on.
Thank you. All the best for the event.
Thank you, ma'am.
So how's the preparation going on?
So it's going quite well. Students, the decoration team is currently working on where, what kind of decoration has to happen. We are also mainly focused on the Roboverse, which is one of the difficult event, you can say, where the bot part, they collide with each other, the particles comes out of the bot. So we are working on creating an arena which is totally safe. So we are taking the help of industries, and we are making the complete arena in the factories right now.
So what special setup is being done in the university campus for this event? Like any special preparations going on?
Yes, ma'am. The students are working towards that. They have collaborated with many industrial people, and around in 14 events there are going to be 7 to 8 which are going to be practically happening outside. For that, the arena and the area should be safe enough. There are the drones. The drones will be flying at the speed of around 200 kmph. Plus we need to ensure the area should be safe and it should not cause any severe injuries. Plus this time we have particularly introduced Robo Wars, which is one of the you can say a dangerous event because they have the bot of around 8 kgs, where the dumbbell is of around 2 kgs in the front, which rotates at around 30,000 rpm, and the two bots, they collide each other. So for that, to ensure the safety of that, we are building the complete arena in the factories right now. And there are some industrial experts. We have taken multiple consultancies from the IITs, that how it should be, how the arena should be of completely metal and completely of carbon fiber, so that the people watching around, they won't be getting any damage. Plus so these all things are taking place right now.
Thank you for speaking to us. Innovatex 3.0 is being hosted and organized by Presidency University, but who all are the partners for this event?
Okay, ma'am, for this event, our first partner is Unstop. Okay, through the Unstop, we are taking the registration of our all the 14 events. The second partners, we are looking for basically for the industries and through startups through our Presidency Launchpad. So from there we have partners we have partners from Scanpic, we have a Placentera is there. Okay, and then we have we are looking for judges also through PLA startups. So those are basically right now partners, and we are actively seeking the partnerships from the various industries for the sponsorship, for the prize money, for the building arena, for the building Robo. They can become a technical partner also. So these are the different areas where we are looking for the partnership also right now.
Thank you. Let me now speak to the lady who is ensuring that the National Tech Festival of Presidency University gets better with each passing year. Dr. Divya Rani, welcome to this conversation.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this is Innovatex 3.0. The earlier two versions were good, but this is even better.
Exactly, this is even better. So why I can say this is even better? Our university is set a unique platform for the students to explore more knowledge on innovation, technology, exchange their ideas, and then enhance their design thinking and creativity skills. So I think among the many premium institute, this is a Presidency University, one among the premium institute who is hosting this time a 14+ event, so which includes automation, drones, hackathons, pitchathon, and many more events.
And how can one register for this?
Then they can visit to www.innovatex.co.in and then they navigate to Unstop to register for the, and various events have been listed with the prices are also nominal. So and of course I have to tell about the cash prizes. Cash prizes is 7+ lakhs,
Which is a very, very good amount.
Exactly. So thank you for the management who supported us, trusting us, and I think Innovatex 3.0 will be a very good, successful, remarkable event in the history of Presidency University.
All the very best, ma'am. So it's all about innovation at Presidency University, and not just for the students of the university, but this is one platform, one event where everyone from all the colleges and universities around the country can participate. Come join and be a part of Innovatex 3.0.